Now that we solved day 15 of Advent of Code, let's see if ChatGPT can do it as well. We'll take the problem description. It's quite a long one. And that's it. So, oh, that's the second part, right? So I'll just need the first part. And let's see if ChatGPT can solve it. We'll add the input file. And let's let ChatGPT do its magic. Right. And the result is, yes, the result is correct. So it was able to solve the first part. Oh, wait, it's not correct. It is not correct. It's very close, but it's not correct. 1479679. No, it's not correct. All right, so let's try again. This is not yet correct. No, it's the same. Like the solution is very close. So it seems like there is just something a little wrong with the calculation. Oh, nice visualization. Very cool. But so far it's just giving the same result. So that is unfortunate, but we can try to see if it is able to solve the second part as well. Maybe it will have better luck on the second part. I probably would be able to find the bug and provide it some hint to how to fix it. But as a rule, I wanted to make sure that these problems are just solved by ChatGPT without any external help, and just wanted to keep it all up to the AI to see if it is actually able to solve the problem. So if it's not able to answer by itself, I'm just letting the problem as unsolved. So the result is, again, quite slightly off the correct result. So it seems like there is some really small discrepancy against what is the expected result, because this is also very close to what is supposed to be there, but just wrong. So yeah, it seems, unfortunately, this time ChatGPT was not able to solve either part of the problem, even though it was very close. But missing, being shy of 1000 or few hundred. It's still wrong result. So even though it was close, it did not solve it. So yeah, unfortunately, not the best day for ChatGPT. Well then, thank you for joining. We'll see if ChatGPT can repair its reputation on some of the future days. I will be off for the next 3 days, so you can expect new videos coming out on Thursday onwards. So thank you and see you next time.